But the next thing I want to show you now is going to be purchasing Bitcoin from the wallet itself, and that's going to be through their various exchange partners. What we're going to do for that is click on the buy button in the top left, and then we have various amounts that we can choose from. It starts off at 75 up to 500, or we can do a custom amount. So the minimum is 30 and the most you can buy is 29,850. So we'll do the minimum and purchase $30 worth, and then we're going to click on the next button. And then we have our options here for where we're going to make our purchase. We have Robinhood, Coinbase, Blockchain.com, Cash App, and then MoonPay. We can see how much we would end up getting from these different exchange options. So for this case, we're just going to go with Robinhood since we're going to get the best bang for our buck. At this point, it's going to bring me right over to my Robinhood app itself, and once again, I have to stop the screen recording just because it doesn't allow me to do this, but I will take screenshots as we go. This is going to bring something up called Robinhood Connect, which is going to connect, obviously, the wallet here with our Robinhood account. And we can see here that we are now buying $30 worth of Bitcoin, and it's going to be able to pull this right from my Robinhood buying power, which is pretty cool. We're now going to click on the review order button, and this is going to show us an estimate of what we are buying. We're paying with the buying power. The network is Bitcoin. It shows the address, the rate that we're going to pay, the network fee, the Robinhood fee, which is 0, and then the total received. From here, you're just going to check the box that says, I confirm my Bitkey wallet address is correct, and then click on continue. And then you just have to click on activate crypto transfers if you haven't done so already. At this point, it's going to show you a screen saying that it is sending your order, and then you're going to get to an order submitted screen. Now that we're out of Robinhood, I can go ahead and record my screen again, and it says your Robinhood transfer is on its way to Bitkey. Submitted at 12:29 p.m. It says it's submitted, then we'll have processing and completed. So we're already getting confirmation that this has been linked correctly. We're now going to click on back to home, and we're going to wait for that $30 to send over. And one thing I want to mention here, guys, while we wait, is that because there are multiple exchange partners available, you can make sure that you're getting a pretty competitive price here on the Bitcoin that you're purchasing, and you're not stuck with just one provider, for example. And again, if you don't like those options, you can always buy Bitcoin wherever you want to, and then just manually send it over with your wallet address.